This lab exercise is designed to challenge you just a little bit,
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
but I think you're going to find it fun to complete. It's actually broken into two parts, so you're going to be writing two separate programs. In the first program, you're going to be manipulating some values known as operands and performing various mathematical operations on them. You'll also change up the values and perform the mathematical operations again. As we do that, I'm going to introduce the concept known as indirection, which is an important concept in computer science. The second part of this, you're going to write a program that employs the Pythagorean theorem. You probably remember it from school. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. It lets us find the length of the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. So if we have the length of side A and the length of side B, we can determine the length of side C. So you're going to create a Pythagorean theorem calculator that will correctly yield the length of side C if the length of side A and B are provided. I think you'll find this challenging, but again, really, really worthwhile. Make sure you read the directions really carefully to make sure you meet all the requirements of the lab exercise.